Does it mean na hindi schools yung delayed opening? It's a clarification from...
Baka more, palagay ko baka mas marami pa doon. Because Valenzuela alone is around 40. I think Malabon is around 30 to 40 already. Because you're talking about 70 to 80 already in 2 cities alone. So, dito mas marami.
Okay, so mag-adjust tayo ng number as we go.
Yes, we'll furnish you the numbers. Pero moving siya ngayon sa ano, diba? Papasok yung information. So, people are on the ground and they're verifying damages, etc. Ability to open on Monday. Oo, nakita ko ngayon sa mismo sa may Quezon City, nabasa yung mga libro, but hopefully nga they'll be okay for Monday. As long as hindi naman bumalik yung bagyo, umakit yung mga ilog, I think we'll be okay. Sa damage, the last figure I heard was 600 million, pero 15 ko mas mataas na ngayon.
Sec, ask ko lang, final na lang po from me. Paano yung Brigada Eskwela po? Kasi marami pong mga eskwelahan po ang putikan and hindi po magawa yung Brigada Eskwela po sa kanilang lokal.
Well, sa akin, nakikiusap tayo sa mga iba't-ibang komunidad. And now's the time talaga na kailangan yung Brigada Eskwela more than ever, di ba? Kung bago magpagyo, kailangan natin yan. Mas lalo na ngayon, mas kailangan pa ng mga schools natin yung Brigada Eskwela.